guys, for today's episode, we're going to make a piña colada. This is an easy recipe wherein you can make this at home. By the way, guys, this is an easy blender version. Piña colada is a sweet and fruity frozen pineapple drink that just take a few minutes to make. I just love a cold frozen cocktail. Since we won't be taking a tropical vacation anytime soon, so I'll be making this easy frozen piña colada recipe. This is the perfect cocktail to pretend you're on the beach. Making it from scratch is super easy. You will be needing pineapple juice, coconut syrup, Bacardi rum, and coconut cream, mint liquor. A large variety of cocktail garnishes are used with many rum-based cocktails, especially this piña colada. You can add fruits on top of the cocktail as garnish. Raspberry fruit would be perfect. It adds up more color and it looks more fancy. This piña colada recipe is so easy to make. You just have to place all the ingredients in a blender and then add some crushed ice and then blend until it's well combined and slushy. With this recipe, you can make 2 to 3 glasses of piña colada. If you need a little tropical break, then you should definitely try it. If you like this blog, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Tastes so yummy.